Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Starlink obstructions. It means something is blocking the disk view of the sky, which causes slow speed or dropout. Open the Starlink app on your phone, tap obstructions or view obstruction map. This shows where the blockage is coming from. Go outside and check the Starlink disk. Common obstructions are like trees, buildings, roof edge, poles or towers. Even small blockages can affect the signal. If possible, trim or remove nearby trees branches. Remove the disc away from the wall or roof. Starlink works best with a wide open view of the sky. If it's trimming, it's possible. Move the disc to a higher spot or roof mount a pole with open sky. The higher the disc, the fewer the obstructions. After moving the disc, wait for 10 to 15 minutes. The Starlink app will automatically update obstruction data. Then unplug the router, wait for 1 minute, then plug it back in. This helps refresh the connections. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.